Hi, I'm Sawyer Rose, and I'm a sculptor and installation artist. I also do a little performance work, and I've been working for some years now on a project called the Carrying Stones Project. When I started the Carrying Stones Project, I had a toddler and an infant at home, and I was drowning under the weight of both my paid work and my unpaid domestic labor. And I tend to be a researcher. So I thought, if I'm having this much trouble with the advantages that I have, this must be a story that goes a lot deeper. So I started researching and found that, yeah, it is. And that's how the Carrying Stones Project began. The title Carrying Stones comes from a Portuguese expression that I heard in Brazil. And sometimes when you ask a woman what she's been doing, she'll say, oh, I've just been carrying stones. And that means she's been at work at her paid job all day, and then she comes home and is the pillar that holds up her family. So I thought, oh, well, that's really fitting for this topic that was very much in my mind at the time. And so when I did begin this project, it seemed the perfect name. And so I thought, well, these are all fascinating statistics, but statistics are numbers and they don't have names and faces and stories. How can I humanize these numbers and really build bridges to people who don't know anything about the topic yet? So for me, it's bringing awareness. When I build my pieces, I purposely build them to be aesthetically pleasing, and they attract you visually, because I want you to come up close and then I want you to look at the wall text and go, oh, wow, I had no idea that that's what this was about, and now I've learned something. And I do get that reaction all the time, and that to me is winning.